Welcome to your study channel, Learn Digitally. Please like, share, and comment for this video. 50 important budget question 2021 expected important union budget question most expected. Question number 1. Who present budget in parliament? Answer 2. Finance Minister. Question number 2. How many times Nirmala Sitharaman presented a budget in parliament? Answer 3. 3 times. Question number 3. Who presented India's first ever budget? Answer 1. James Wilson. Question number 4. Budget 2021 and 2022 proposal to rest on 6 pillars. Which of the following is not among them? Answer 5. Agricultural development. Next question. What is the total budget outlay for health and well-being? Answer 2. 2.23 lakh crore. According to the budget, how much amount is allocated for COVID vaccine? Answer 3. 35,000 crore. How much amount is allocated for PM Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana? Answer 1. 64,180 crore. Question number 8. In Union Budget 2021, how much amount is allocated for railway? Answer 3. 1,10,055 crore. Question number 9. A national rail plan has been prepared by Indian Railway for India. The plan is to create a future-ready railway system by 2030. Question number 10. Ujjwala scheme has been extended to how many more districts? Answer 5. 100 districts. How much amount is allocated for tea workers in Assam and West Bengal? Answer 2. 1,000 crore. Question number 12. How much custom duty on cotton and auto parts increase respectively? 10% and 15%. Next question. According to Union Budget 2021, gross borrowing from the market for the next year would be around 12 lakh crore. Next question. The forthcoming census would be the first digital census in the history of India. How much amount is allocated for this in 2021 to 2022? Answer 4. 3,768 crore. Next question. How much custom duty on solar lighting has been reduced? 5%. Next question. Which company IPO will be launched in 2021 and 2022 as part of the government's disinvestment strategy? LIC. IPO means initial price offering. As per Union Budget 2021, the fiscal deficit is estimated to be how much percent of GDP? 9.5%. Union Budget for 2020 and 21 announced an increase in foreign direct investment FDI limit in insurance from 49 to 74%. Budget for 2021 to 2022 announced voluntary vehicle scrapping policy to phase out old and polluting vehicle. After how many years fitness of commercial vehicle will be checked for the same? 15 years. In budget 2021, national infrastructure pipeline was expanded to over 7,400 projects. What is the capital expenditure announced to fund the same? Answer 5.54 lakh crore. Next question. How many mega investment textile park will be established over 3 years? Answer 3. 7. Next question. In which state seaweed park will be set up? Tamil Nadu. How much amount has been allocated for road transport and highway? 1.18 lakh crore. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman proposed to set up an ARC for NPA management. What does R refers to in ARC? Reconstruction. How much amount is allocated for PSB recapitalization? PSB recapitalization. Private sector bank, PSB. Answer 2. 20,000 crore. How much amount was paid to farmers for wheat procurement in 2020-21? 75,000 crore. What is the de-investment target for financial year 2020-2022? Answer 1.75 lakh crore. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced to protect whom from double taxation in Union Budget 2021. Indian citizen, foreigner, NRIs, all of the above, none of the above. Answer 3. All of the above. As per Union Budget 2021, how many fishing hubs to be developed? 6. How many Sainik school will be set up in partnership with private school, NGO and state? 100. As per the budget, Central University to be set up in which of the following state or UT? Ladakh. How much amount is allocated for Jal Jeevan Mission over 5 years? 1.98 lakh crore rupees. How much amount is allocated for MSME this year? 15,700 crore. As per Union Budget 2021, how many schools to be quantitatively stated under NEP National Education Policy? 15,000. The reopening time limit for direct tax assessment has been reduced to how many years from the current 6 years? 3 years. How much amount is allocated for Urban Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0 over 5 years? Answer what? 2. 1,41,678 crore. As per Union Budget 2021, how many roads have been constructed in Bharatmala Pariyojana so far? Answer what? Answer 5. 3,800 km. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced setting up of DFI. What does F refers to in DFI? Financial. As per the budget, the government aims to reach a fiscal deficit below 4.5% by financial year 25-26. What is the age limit for the senior citizen who are abolished from the need to file IT return? Above 75 years. As per the budget, how much agri-infra cess has been imposed on alcoholic beverage? 100%. How much amount is allocated for the 16th Goa Liberation Anniversary? 300 crores. As per the budget 2020, total expenditure packed for financial year 2022 34.83 lakh crore. As per the budget, total capital expenditure packed for financial year 2022 5.54 lakh crore. As per the budget, how many farmers are registered on e-Nam market? 1.68 crore. As per the budget, which of the following has been designated as a regulator for gold exchange? SEBI. As per the budget, 1.97 lakh crore is allocated in the next 5 years for the TLA scheme in 13 sectors to create and nurture manufacturing global champions for Atmanirbhar Bharat. What does L refers to in PLI? Linked. How much amount is allocated for the creation of National Research Foundation over 5 years? 50,000 crore. How much amount is allocated for the agriculture and rural sector for financial year 21-22? 16.5 lakh crore. As per budget, broad gauge to be 100% electricity by December 2023. Thank you for watching.